Do y'all do do y'all do oh my gosh, why can I not talk? Do y'all do influencer? Today we're going to be jumping into an influencer box. This is the Maybelline VoxBox. It comes with 2 items. It comes with the City Bronzer and it comes with the eyeliner. So I'm just going to be showing y'all pretty much a first impressions of these products today. I get influencer boxes quite often. Sometimes you get food, sometimes you get hair products, skincare, makeup. When they send me hair, skincare, and makeup, I'm all over it. If they send me anything else, I'm like, no, I don't want the box. So I think they've gotten pretty good at sending me some makeup products. If you don't know what influencer is, what you do is you go onto the website and you pretty much just put your links to your social medias. It counts all your followers from all of your stuff. You just go on there and they send you products, again, anywhere between from dog food, drinks, beauty products, anything that you can name, they probably send it to you, and all you have to do is review it for, let's say, the website that they send it to you from, and you can post it on social media, you can make videos about it. So that's what I'm doing today. It's my first influencer box on camera. If y'all like this, let me know. If not, I won't show y'all anymore. It's totally up to you. Before we get into the video, you guys, you can subscribe to my channel and join the party if you want to. If not, that's okay. I know I'll see you in the future. Just being confident, you know? And then you can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below, and it's pretty much just Twitter and Instagram, and it's Maggie_Hardy88. So you guys, other than that, let's get into testing these products. Okay, so the 2 products that we're going to be testing today is the Maybelline New York City Bronzer. Here's one side, and then the other one is the Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. It's waterproof, up to 36-hour liner impact. So I'm a little scared to try this because it looks a little orange, and if it messes up my look, I'm gonna be a little ticked off. But you know what? That's what influencer is for. We're going to test it out, see how it goes. I'm going to use the same bronzer brush that I always use. This is a Morphe M530. And you guys, let's just oh! It's falling. It's fall out. It feels a little buttery. It's not very dry, so that's good. Okay, let's give this a go. Going in with a very light hand because I don't know what to expect. Uh-oh, I like it. I think I like it. Especially when summer rolls around, I think this is going to be a very beautiful color. In person, it doesn't look that orange. On camera, it does look a little bit orange. I don't know. I'm going to have to go outside and see. You guys, I'm going to have to because, you know, these lights be playing people. Very pretty bronzy color though, like summer bronze. Not a winter bronze, but a summer bronze. I'm gonna try to make this disappear. I'm gonna wear my hair down on this side, so. I don't know, y'all. I think it looks pretty good. It smells kind of like coconuts. It smells good. I know that you can get this anywhere Maybelline is sold, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, and you can pretty much get it anywhere. You can also get it online, but this retails for $9.99. When I pick up bronzers, I'm usually pretty hesitant because of this right here. Like on camera, it literally looks orange, but in person, in front of these lights, it does not look that bad. So when I get done filming, I'll go take a little clip outside and I'll insert it here, let y'all see what it looks like outside. But as of right now, before going outside, I think it looks absolutely wonderful. For $10, you really can't beat this. Okay, y'all, so we are doing the outside check. It's a little overcast, but there's sun, and I'm actually in the shade. If you can see, I actually like it. I do. I really like it. Sun check is good. Outside lighting is good. I took my lashes off, so if I look crazy, that is why they were bugging me. Okay, so for y'all, I'm gonna do a quick comparison. This is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite. This is what they look like compared to each other. This one is a little bit lighter orange tone. This one is a little bit cooler toned, but they're pretty similar. We'll do the Physicians Formula, which Physicians Formula, you can tell, is a lot cooler also. For me, I really like the bronzer so far. Okay, the next thing that I got is the Tattoo Studio Liner in Deep Onyx. This says 36-hour wear, waterproof. Aw, Benefit just commented on my post on Twitter. That's awesome. It gives me the giggles inside. Any little accomplishment is accomplishment. This is what she looks like. We'll take the top off. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna let that sit for a second and we're gonna see if smudges. It's supposed to be smudge proof. Well, it ain't smudge proof. Oh, my eyelash is coming off. Okay, so I'm gonna use this real quick. I didn't finish my face because I wanted to do the bronzer. So I'm gonna line my upper waterline and my lower waterline with this. Oh my gosh, it's so black. This retails for $7.99. Maybelline eyeliners are usually pretty good, especially in the waterline. But this one has a 36-hour wear. You guys, I'm gonna just finish up my face real quick. If you wanna watch, you can. If not, it's okay. All right. Blush always does something to me. It just gives me all the goody feels. Spring is right around the corner, you guys. I just can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so tired of this cold weather. Like this weekend, I know it's supposed to get like up to 70 degrees here in Oklahoma, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going in with the O for highlighter. Some of the best highlighters on the face of the earth. I mean, just look at it. I really want to try the Amarizi highlighter. I haven't tried that one yet. But I can't seem to get myself to spend that much money on it. I'm just gonna put highlighter everywhere, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that's the video. Just nice, short, and sweet. Again, I think the bronzer is absolutely wonderful. I misplaced it. I'm looking for it, and I can't find it. It's right here. It retails for $9.99. You can get it anywhere Maybelline is sold. For $9.99, you guys, this bronzer looks absolutely beautiful. It smells good. Yeah, just that's my review on it. The eyeliner was $7.99. I really like it, and if it works and keeps the claims that it says it has, I will really like it, because the one that I use is the Marc Jacobs, and it's like $22, $24, $28. It's very expensive. So I'm hoping that the liner works. Thank you, Influencer, for sending me these products to review for you. I really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Y'all do Influencer or do y'all receive boxes? Y'all let me know. I always love to chat with y'all. Please subscribe if you have not already. If not, that's okay. I'll see you in the future. You can also follow me on my social medias, which is Maggie_Hardy88 on Twitter and on Instagram. I'm usually on Twitter more than I am Instagram, so if y'all want to see me, I'm over there. I'm not really on Facebook other than to promote a video. So if y'all want to see what I got going on in my life, you gotta go over to Twitter. You gotta go follow me on the bird. I love you. Make sure to go spread some love and kindness. Somebody might need you today. I love you. I'll see y'all on Thursday. Bye, y'all.